Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today I'm bringing you a new mining site. We are looking into Mining Company Limited, but this site has a bit of a sting in its tail, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in my Mining Company Limited account. And basically I am making this video for two reasons. Now the first reason is to basically tell you and show you that this site is a scam, and for the majority of you out there to advise you, do not invest in this website. Now the other reason is to also show those people that are a bit like me, like to take a little bit of a risk and are prepared to roll the dice on things, that this site could actually reap some rewards, but on a limited time scale. So keep watching. Okay, so like I said, the first thing we're going to go through is just to show you my point of view on why I believe that this is a scam. Okay, so if we click on About Company and we scroll down, okay, so here you've got the company information. So that is the registered name. You have the registered address and company location, which is always nice for to find on a website, because obviously it means that you can go into Google Maps and check it out. A lot of times companies or fake websites will just put any random address on there to give a bit of a legitimacy to the site, but also as well, in this case it is actually the address that the company is registered to. Now you can see we have a picture of the certification from Companies House here, which again you'll find even on scam websites, because it will give some legitimacy to that website. So anyway, if we go into Google Maps and we check out the company address, so if we put this address into Google Maps, you will actually see it does pinpoint the company, the actual company name at this building. But obviously when we look at the building, admittedly sometimes the photos that Google Maps does use are very much out of date. So for all we know, this here is now showing a sign saying Mining Company Limited, and that could well be the correct place. But anyway, the next thing we can look at is if we close this down and we get our information back, we also have a phone number here. So a +61 is clearly not an English number, and if we go into Google again, it will tell you that it is an Australian area code. Now I was hunting around a bit, just trying to get as much information on this as possible, and I did come across this website. So now this is again another website that you can get sort of information from. You do have to pay for some of it, but some of it you can get for free. Now there is not a lot of stuff on this website really for a company, you know, that, I mean, they give this guy's name and his year of birth, but also from this, if we look here, we do get a phone number, which is a Birmingham phone number. But if we put this phone number into Google, we then find these websites, which are really good. They're absolutely brilliant. If you ever get a phone number on that you don't recognize on your mobile phone or something like that, just type it into Google and you'll come to a lot of these sites, and it will tell you where the phone number comes from. It will also tell you whether you know, whether it's a nuisance call or stuff like that. But if we click on this larger website and we go to here, it is saying that that phone number belongs to Lloyd's Pharmacy office in Birmingham, and from what I can see is not actually anywhere near the address that is actually given. So the address for that is B4 7DA, United Kingdom, whereas the address for ours is B19 3PS. So, you know, all this stuff is giving us no reason to trust this site at all. And then if we go and look up Mr. Duke Weber, so on Companies House, this is where that certification comes from, which is Companies House, and we can see this guy Duke Weber. That is the address that is given on the website. Even the date of births correspond to the site we were just on. But I don't know, if it's like if you go to a lot of these places that he seems to be connected to, there is just no information. There's just absolutely no information. The only thing that is consistent with anything that this guy's name is connected with, if you start, you know, sort of following the threads, as it were, is Mining Company Limited. And it's like that they've put his name on these websites and this information to just almost create a website presence to, you know, so this guy might not exist at all, totally fabricated. And again, it doesn't give us any reason to really trust this site. And to be honest with you, if you look up mining company on Google, there is tons and tons of information and reviews and that basically saying that this is a scam. But like I did say, there was another side to the video. Now, I opened up an account. Basically, one of my subscribers through Facebook told me to check it out. I used his referral code, as I will always do that if you guys bring me a program which I feel is worth doing some sort of review or looking into. I will always use your referral address, because at the end of the day, you deserve that because you've found it. So I don't want to rob you of any kind of commissions that you might well be due. So anyway, if you sign up to this site, you will be given a small amount of gigahash free. And I advise you to put it straight into Script, because that is going to be where it's most beneficial, because obviously Script coins mine the quickest. So you do have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Cycoin and in Script you have Litecoin, Doge, which you can see I'm mining, Verge and Digibyte, and then at Hash you have Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Now, like I said, really this side of the video is for those people that don't mind taking a bit of a gamble and are prepared to roll the dice on something like this. Now, I feel that Mining Company could be around anything between 3 to 6 months from now. So today is the 19th of January 2021. I would say if you wish to get involved in this, do it straight away. I will not be putting a referral code in to the description, because like I say, I'm bringing you this more to discourage you and to warn you about this website, but there is potential in the sense of fast earnings if you are sensible. So basically what I would advise, and I do have payment proofs for this, by the way, I'm not just sending you in here blindly. I would advise that you take your free hashing power and you put it straight into Dogecoin. Do not put it into anything else. Just put it straight into Dogecoin. If you want to invest, I would invest, again, only invest into script. Only invest Dogecoin, probably, because at the end of the day, if you lose something, that is the coin that, for me, I would personally say I'm not bothered about losing. But obviously, some people feel differently about Dogecoin. Anyway, like I say, so basically what I did was I came in here and I deposited 2 deposits in Doge. I actually did deposit 3, but one basically got messed up, but it was actually my fault. So basically, when you make a deposit, don't make 2 deposits to the same address, which is something I accidentally did. So if you go here, so that would give you that address, and then you click on it, and then what I did was I somehow managed to then send a second one to the same address, but only the first one came through. But apparently that is how their system works. So the idea is you make one deposit, complete that, close it, then go back into deposit, and it will give you a new address. So you'll get a new address for every single deposit. So I made 2 deposits, which equated to around about 1,200 Doge, or just over 1,200 Doge. And obviously you can see these are my transactions here. Like I say, I'm not trying to con you. I will not be be putting any sort of referral address in my description, anything like that. So anyway, so like I say, is get your Doge up and running, but you want to be doing it ASAP, because like I do believe that this program could be gone in 6 months. 3 to 6 months. I don't believe this program will be around any longer. But the good thing is that the minimum required to withdraw Doge is only 200 Doge, which is really, really low compared to most sites. So that's what I'm saying, is if you put it in Doge and only use Doge to earn, you should be able to get your withdrawal out pretty rapid. Now I have made 2 withdrawals. So again, if we go to history and we go to withdraw funds, you can see here I actually made a withdrawal of 1 million Litecoin, and if you look over to the left hand side of the screen, there you can see that is my wallet, my mobile wallet. So you can see here the Litecoin that I made the withdrawal on the 17th of the 1st 2021, so that's only a couple of days ago, and it landed in my mobile wallet on the 17th of January, so the same day it landed, and we received 1,032,510. So you can see that that is very slightly different to what that is showing, but obviously that is probably down to fees. Now the second one you can see was the Dogecoin, and again if you look over to the left hand side of the screen, you'll see that my wallet, and again we withdrew it on the 2nd of January, and you can see there in my wallet that it landed again on the 2nd of Jan, so the same day once again. So good, really good, quick withdrawals, and we got 199 Doge into my wallet, and you can see there that we actually did withdraw 200 Doge. So obviously one Doge was used as a transaction fee or something like that. So from that, we can surmise that the program is paying. But as to how long it will be paying, as to how long it will be around, I have absolutely no idea, but I am guessing 3 to 6 months. So like I said, for the majority of you out there, I will say steer clear. Do not use this program. For me, there's too much out there on the internet connected with this site saying it's a scam. Obviously, I've just shown you a few things which I've quickly found to give you some kind of evidence to prove that it is a scam. But I do also believe it could be around for a little while, long enough for those of you that want to take the chance to maybe get your investment back and make yourself a little bit of profit in the process. But again, it is the 19th of January. I would say wait, do not get in any later than the end of this month if you are going to get in at all. I will not be making another video on this website. It is purely to just show you the two sides of how I feel about the site. But I will not be doing anything else. I will not be showing any more payment proofs, nothing like that. But like I say, it is high risks. Bear that in mind. Don't come in here putting tons of money in, thinking that you're going to make, you know, that you're going to get it that kind of level back. You want to be putting a small amount in. Do not reinvest it. Just concentrate on withdrawals and getting your investment back, and then getting yourself a bit of profit as well. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. I hope the information was very useful. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.